Hi there, crafters. It's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we are using Pocketful of Happiness, and this is the card that we're making. Let's get started. Okay, so we are going to start with our big shot. And I have the eyelet lace embossing folder. And I have a piece of Flirty Flamingo, and that's cut at 4 by 5 1/4. Oh, that's so cute. I love that. Okay, and now we're going to cut. And I have the largest layering ovals. And I have the sparkle glimmer paper. And then I have the next down size, the regular oval, and Whisper White. So we'll just run those through. Get that out of the way. Okay, so we are using Pocketful of Happiness, and we're going to be using these flowers and May Your Birthday Bloom with Happiness. Okay, so I'm going to come in with my Memento Tuxedo Black ink, and I have this mounted on Clear Block D, and go ahead and get a piece of paper. So we might get off the paper a little bit. So very little. All right, and then I'm going to come in with my Flirty Flamingo, and I have the sentiment mounted on Clear Block C. So just like that. And now I'm going to come in with my Flirty Flamingo Dark. And I'm just going to color the flower. I'm being very careful not to get outside the lines. I got a little smudge right there. So let me get my color lifter. See if I can bring that out a little bit. Oh, we can do something else. So I'm going to color in my leaves. This is the Mint Macaron Dark. All right, so let's start putting this card together. Our card base is mint macaron, and it is cut at 8.5 by 5.5, and I scored it at 4 1/4. I'm going to get my eyelet piece. Let's see. Yeah, I think I want it where it's risen up. And I have my mint macaron textile ribbon. And I'm just going to put this across with some regular tape. Alright, and I have some small adhesive. And then we're going to put this down. So just like that. And let's see, let me bring in our stamped piece. And I have these, but I think I'm going to use the Noble Peacock instead. So I'm going to get this biggest one. See if I can't cover that up. All right. And let me put another one there. Yeah, I think I'm going to put that here in the center. All right, so I'm not loving this. Let me see if I can lift that color up some more. All right, I'm going to come in with my glue dots. And 3 should be good. And I'm going to put this down on the glimmer paper. Remember, glue dots work the best for the glimmer paper. And then I'm going to pop this up with some Stampin' Dimensionals. And just like that, a quick and simple birthday card. Thanks for watching, and if you need any of these supplies, please click on my online store. It's in the YouTube description below. Bye!